is about SSNR technique, which is a study technique which helped me a lot during my examination and self study. So, if it helps you, if you find it helpful, then please let me know in the comment section. So, yeah, in SSNR technique, the first step which comes is study. Okay, so in this part, we have to read the stuff thoroughly. After reading the stuff thoroughly, then comes summarization. In case of summarization, we need to make some points which we feel that it denotes the overall theme of the passage or an article, whatever it is. In the third step, we need to make points. Summary and notes both will be in points, because we all know that when we write in points we can have a clarity that okay, this is the main portions of the article or the stuff. Fourthly, we need to revise. This technique is mostly used in case of GK and current affairs, and it will help to improve your GK and current affairs. So fourth step is revision. We can revise GK and current affairs weekly or monthly. Monthly magazines are although available, but I think if we make our notes by own, then it will be better for us, because if we make notes by ourselves, we need to first read the stuff thoroughly, and we may get some extra points which is not mentioned in the monthly magazines. Okay, so I hope you find this video useful. If you find it, then please share the video more and more so that everybody could get the benefit of the video. And do like, share and subscribe to my channel Law Pathshala. Okay, so bye.